Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to understand some LeetCode question which is based on sliding window, and going forward for few videos we are going to concentrate only on the flavors of sliding window problems. Okay, so in this video we are going to understand about maximum average sub array 1, which comes under easy, and the question number is 643. So let's first understand this question. So here you are given an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k. So our input array has nums of n elements, an array called nums with n elements, and the integer called k. Find a contiguous sub array whose length is equal to k that has maximum average value and return this value. So we need to return the maximum average value of this array, and the length of that sub array should be equal to k. Or okay, so any answer with calculation error less than 10 to the power minus 5 will be accepted. So since the return type is boolean, so this less than this error will be accepted. Okay, so let's understand this, how we are going to solve this. So like I said, it's a sliding window. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a window of size k. Since we are given here the size k, we need to return the subarray of size k. So we will create a window of size k, and we will put in and we will keep adding the elements till the subarray size becomes k. Okay, so suppose we include this 1, then we include 12, then minus 5, and then minus 6. So now our window became 4, right, which is equal to k. Now we will take the average out of it and we will keep it. Okay, now in the next round, since it's a sliding window, so we will shift this window to here. So we will include the 50 and we will exclude the 1. So here we will have the second average. Okay, now we will calculate this sub array. So we will include 3 and we will exclude minus 12. So we will keep shifting the window. Okay, now we got all the values of the windows. Now we will see which window has the maximum average. So that one we will return. So now the constraint we have for this is n is equal to nums.length, and k size will always be greater than 1, and the value will range from, I think it's come under normal integer range. Okay, so let's write this. So first we will create a variable called sum, which will hold my sum, one variable for my global sum. Okay, which is integer dot min value. Okay, and to execute sliding window, we will create a variable start, which is now 0. Okay, because we will keep excluding one by one, so for that iteration we will need this variable. Okay, for rest of the things we will create a for loop with int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So here what we are going to do, we are going to create the sum. Okay, so we will keep on adding our integer array, so it will keep on creating the sum. Now we will check the current position. So if our ith position minus starting position plus 1, if this position is equal to k, so in this case if k is equal to 4, so if it became 4, so we will calculate the global sum. Okay, because we need the sum when the window size become k equal to 4, because for that reason we are adding this condition. Okay, so we will do math.max of global sum and our local sum, whichever is greater. Now since our we got the global sum, now what we will do, we will shift the window. So now we are at this position. When we come to -6, we come under this if condition, we add the global variable, whatever will be the global variable. Here it will be 1 plus 12 13 minus 5 9, I think it's 8 minus 6, so it became 2, right? So our global sum is 2 over here. Now we got the global sum. Now what we will do, since in the next iteration we will add 50 from here, so in this iteration only we will exclude this. Okay, so what we are going to do, in the sum we will exclude the nums of start plus plus. Okay, so we are excluding this. Okay, and we move the start to the next position. Okay, once the iteration is done, so we will return the global sum divided by k, since we need the average, and since it's a double, we need to typecast it to double, since this is an integer, we have taken as an integer. Okay, so let's run this. So our 2 test cases got accepted. Let's submit it. So it got submitted. Hope you understood this question. See you in the next. Thank you.